Every few months, I get what's called bored as I get tired of the same hairstyle, the same look. I'm just not into looking the same every single day. As you know, recently I decided to get a new haircut called the French crop. But the cool thing about this hairstyle is that I can style it in many different ways. And today I'm going to show you two hairstyles that you can achieve with this short haircut. They're actually very easy. I'll go through everything step by step so that by the end of this video, if you like the hairstyles and you feel bored and ready to change yours, you'll be able to achieve both of them really easily. As you can see, my hair is pretty short. The shortest it's been in years actually. The front and top are about 3.5 inches at the longest parts. Then it gets slightly shorter in the back, around 2 inches. And the sides are also very tight, but I decided not to go with a fade. We'll start by applying a heat protectant and hydrating oil, of course from Forte series, which is the brand that I started 3 years ago. It's crazy to think that it's already been 3 years since we launched Forte, by the way. Time is absolutely flying. I apply a small amount of the hydrating oil every single day after I shower. Makes my hair feel soft, smooth, and it makes it smell really good. But most importantly, the oil is also going to protect it from the heat of the blow dryer, which we will be using next. I like to just use my fingers at first to get most of the water out and to slowly start to push the hair forward. Now this hairstyle is cool because the hair goes forward towards your forehead. Then at the front, we're going to add some volume and texture. It's going to be so good. I'm excited for you to try this. I'll use the Forte series vented brush to add that lift at the front. Now the movement here is actually pretty easy. You brush forward slightly, then lift the hair and pull it up and backwards to create this beautiful volume that we need for this hairstyle. On one side, we'll blow dry it straight to the side, almost like a side part hairstyle. On the other side, we'll actually blow dry it forward. You can see that it's beginning to take shape already. Honestly, I also kind of like it like this, but we're not going to stop here. I'm adding my favorite styling product right now, the Forte series texture powder, to hold the hair in place. If you're not sure how good this product is, just look at this. It's like a magic powder. It holds your hair up very easily and adds crazy texture. Then I just use my fingers to shape it. I like to add a few hair strands to the side, pushing them towards my forehead. And on the other side, I create these downward curls. This is what the first hairstyle looks like. It's a modern quiff, let's say. It's easy to style. Any guy with short hair can style it like this. I'm going to leave all the products I use in the description of this video and on the shopping shelf below so you can click on them and get your hair to look amazing. Now it's time to create the second hairstyle. This one is a French crop and I love how it looks. Instead of brushing your hair upwards like the first hairstyle, you're actually going to need to pull the hair strands down towards your forehead. I like to push my hair to the side as well instead of fully down. The best part of this hairstyle is that it can be pretty messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. As a matter of fact, it's not supposed to look perfect. This is a great hairstyle for guys with an uneven or receding hairline because it does fully hide it without looking like you're hiding it. And it's a hairstyle that's been around for ages, so it's not going anywhere. You can count on this being trendy for a long time to come. I'd love to know from you guys, which one of these two hairstyles did you like better? Let me know in the comments and check out the Forte series products in the description below. And of course, subscribe for more. Also, quick question, what hairstyle should I get next? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.